Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson WorkForce WF-2630. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but this control panel here and the built-in screen. So first of all, we're going to, from the home page of the printer, show me that icon. If you're not there already, just press that button. We're going to use the down arrow till we get to setup. Once we get to setup, press OK. Then we go down again to maintenance. Press OK. I'm going to go down a couple options to ink cartridge replacement. Press OK. To get things started, we need to press the start button, which can be found on the right hand side, either of these. And give your printer a minute while it slides the ink cartridge cradle over into the correct position. Now, to access the ink cartridges, we need to lift below the scanner bed, the top bit. You'll see there's recesses on either side. Get your fingers in there, lift them up. The lid will hold itself up. And you'll see the ink cartridges have stopped here, where it's recessed. So you can get to the clips at the back to remove the ink cartridges. Now, we just take out whichever cartridge we fancy. Get our replacement one. I'm popping the same one back in because it's brand new anyway. And just press down until we hear a click. And once it's flush with the other cartridges, you know it's in place. From here, we just close down the lid of the printer. And back at our screen, we can see we just need to press start, tell the printer we're done, and so it can check over the ink cartridges. Now this will take your printer just a minute. It's just checking the chips, making sure it's perfectly happy. You will get a warning from the printer if you're using compatible ink cartridges when they're first installed, like I've done, but it's as simple as just pressing up to indicate yes to the printer and that you want to carry on using them. Just making you aware in case you've been sold them as original Epson ink cartridges. But that's all there is to see here. If you're changing ink cartridges because of a print quality you've been experiencing, I'd recommend checking out our nozzle check and cleaning cycle videos that we also have on our channel. If you found this video useful, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, just let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.